In this video, I will guide you how you can increase maximum number of undos in PowerPoint. It means when you undo the anything, you can by default 20 times to undo, and after that you can't be able to do undos. So how you can increase the number of undos? For this you need to go to the file on the top menu bar, and on the bottom you will see option. Click on that, and in the PowerPoint option you need to click on the advanced option, and now you will see that editing options, and here you can see that the maximum number of undos are 20. So if you want to increase it, you can increase the number of undos to 35, or even you can 50 as per your requirement. So click OK, and after that you will be able to do undos 50 times. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.